Dear viewers, welcome to my channel MAHAMUD BCS Academy. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get next video. Let's get started. Sabita talks to the pet bird as if understanding, talk back, understood. Answer D. Understood. Question number 2. It is high time you dash up smoking. Gave, give, have given, will give. Answer A. Gave. Question number 3. She told me his name after he dashed. Left, had left, has been leaving. Answer B. Had left. Question number 4. When you plane dash, please call me. Will arrive, arrived, arrives, will have arrived. Answer C. Arrives. Question number 5. No sooner had he reached the station dash the train left, then, when, then, while. Answer A. Then. Question number 6. Travelers dash their reservation well in advance if they want to fly during the 8 holidays. Had better to get. Answer had better get. A. Question number 7. I dash listen to your works. No rather, not rather, would not rather, would not to, would rather not. Answer D. Would rather not. Question number 8. One of the least effective ways of storing information in learning dash it. Answer to repeat it. Question number 9. Do you enjoy dash cricket match on TV? Watch, to be watching, watching, to watch. Answer C. Watching cricket match on TV. Question number 10. I remember dash France when I was young. Visit, to visit, none of this. Answer visiting France. Question number 11. I have no objection to dash your story. Have heard, hear, be heard, hearing. Answer D. Hearing your story. Question number 12. We would not mind dash to waiting, what, to have waited. Answer B. Waiting. Question number 13. He gave up dash football when he got married. To play, applying, playing. Answer D. Playing football. Question number 14. Anis had Shahid dash the floor. Clean, to clean, cleaned, to be cleaned. Answer A. Clean the floor. Question number 15. You had better dash harder or you will fail the test. Studied, study, to study, studying. Answer B. Study hard. Question number 16. I prefer swimming to dash walk, walked, walking, having walked. Answer C. Walking. Question number 17. I came home after the train dash stopped, was stopped, had stopped. Answer D. Had stopped. Question number 18. It is high time we dash the people conscious about our national interest. Answer A. Made the people. Question number 19. Which one the correct sentence? If I was a king, if I am a king, if I were a king, none of this. Answer C. If I were a king. Question number 20. Which form of the word is an adjective? Resolute, resolve, resolution, resolutely. Answer A. Resolute. Question number 21. Which is the noun of word try? Trying, trial, trial, none of them. Answer B. Trial. Question number 22. Honesty is the best policy. Here word honesty is common, proper, abstract, material. Answer abstract noun. Question number 23. Numbering শব্দটির ভার্ব হচ্ছে নাম্বার, নাম্বারিং, enumerate, numberless. Question number C. Enumerate. Question number 24. Please শব্দটির নাউন হচ্ছে pleasing, pleased, pleasance, pleasure. Answer B. Pleasure. Question number 25. bitter শব্দটির ভার্ব হচ্ছে bitter, embitter, bitterness, bitterify. Question number answer B, embittered. Question number 26, জয় শব্দটির অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হচ্ছে joyous, joyful, jolly and joy. Answer A, joyous. Question number 27, act শব্দটির ভার্ব হচ্ছে acted, action, enact, actress. Answer C, enact. Question number 28, true শব্দটির নাউন হচ্ছে truth, truly, truthful, truthfulness. Answer truth. A. Question number 29, heart শব্দটির অ্যাডজেক্টিভ হচ্ছে hearten, heart, heartful, heartening. Answer B, heartening. Question number 30, which one of the following is an adjective? Freedom, careful, cheerful, beautify, attentively. Answer cheerful. Question number 31, the word independence is an adjective, a noun, a verb, an adverb. Answer B, a noun. Question number 32, the word prolific is preposition, noun, adjective, pronoun. Answer C, adjective. Question number 33, identify the word in the plural form. Rugby, stadium, physics, civics. Answer A, rugby. Question number 34, the plural form of bureau is bureau, bureus, bureaux, bureis. Answer C, bureaux. Question number 35, which one is the singular number? Process, phenomena, ultimate, criterion. Answer D, criterion. Question number 36, let's hear one of the major dash load shedding problems is problem was, problems had been. Answer B, problem was load shedding. Question number 37, non dash helpless because they can always try. Are, where, is, was. Answer C, is helpless. Question number 38, everybody who dash a favor must go home immediately. Have, had, has, is. Answer C, has a favor. Question number 39, it is I who dash to blame, is, are, am, where. Answer am to blame. C. Question number 40, the child cried for dash mother, his mother, her mother, its mother, not. Answer C, its mother. Question number 41, a bull market means that share prices are falling, rising, moving, static. Answer B, rising. Question 42, prime facie means prime accused, prime figure, prime minister at first view. Answer D, at first view. Question number 43, cry wolf means give a flash alarm, bear on teeth, clear the road, fact to fact, face to face. Answer A, give a flash alarm. Question number 44, dash a problem in most big cities, the crime is, the crime are, crime is none. Answer C, crime is a problem. Question number 45, he is dash BB a student, A and D no article. Answer A, BB a student. Question number 46, English is dash language of dash people of England, D N A D D D and D. Answer C, D D, the language of the people. Question number 47, Jamal is no different dash Kamal from, then, in, with. Answer A, from Kamal. Question number 48, the previous never hanker dash money, with, at, after, for. Answer after money. Question number 49, we should know depends dash others, one, with, two, over. Answer A, one others. Question number 50, he came dash a good family to, in, of, at. Answer of a good family. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you don't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get next video. Please like, comment and share this video.